to Ms. Adams for me. I would have you report to the probation department next Thursday between 8 and 10, just to sign the paperwork, and we should be all set. Good luck to you, Mr. Inkland.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
2025-2407 SM in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Vincent Matthew Inkland. I have Charles Noe appearing on behalf of Mr. Inkland, and they are present in Mr. Noe's office. And
Leave it.
hold on. Okay, Mr. Noe, we have not received a PSI for Mr. Inkland. Did you?
Yeah, I got it several weeks ago. Can we forward the email to Becky?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
The email got sent to Becky. It was July 7th at 1 o'clock. But I can forward it to Becky too.
She can look. We weren't here that day.
I'll send it to her that same day. I'll send it to her right now.
Thank you, Charles.
No problem. You're welcome. If you don't get it in a couple minutes, let me know.
I now have it. So give me 1 second. My it's pleasant. Hold on, it's fine. All right. So give me 1 second. All right, so now I have received a copy of the misdemeanor pre-sentence investigation report. Double check. All right, very good. All right. So, Mr. Noe, I've had a chance now to review the misdemeanor probation violation or pre-sentence investigation report. Mr. Inkland, since you're in Mr. Noe's office, I assume that you've had an opportunity to read and review the pre-sentence report. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. It looks like it's muted.
No, you're right. You're good. Your sound goes through my
You're
system.
good. Just speak up just a little bit louder. So repeat your response again.
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
All right. Are you satisfied with Mr. Noe as your attorney and the advice that he has given you?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Noe, do you wish to explain or challenge the accuracy or relevancy of any information in this report?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Does the pre-sentence report disclose any prior convictions in which there exists any known constitutional defect?
None that I know of, Your Honor.
All right. Before the court passes sentence, is there anything you'd like to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client has accepted responsibility for his actions by entering the guilty plea. He understands the method of discipline could have crossed the line, and he's expressed genuine remorse from the outset. He has been cooperative, as you can see in the pre-sentence report, positive report from Sally Welsh. I think that the court has the benefit of the pre-sentence investigation, which indicates my client has been doing well and received excellent reports from his counselor. There is ultimately a recommendation for fines and costs only. We understand that is the probation department's recommendation, and we'd ask the court to follow that recommendation. Thank you.
Mr. Noe, do you know how long he has left on probation in district court?
He's off. He's off.
Okay. All right. And all right, Mr. Inclan, is there anything you'd like to say on your own behalf?
No, Your Honor. I'm all set.
Mr. Inclan, how long do you have left for counseling with Sally Welsh?
We're gonna go 52 more, 24 more weeks. So we were gonna do the whole 52 weeks. We have more than half completed.
All right. All right. So, thank you. Anything else, Mr. Inclan?
Oh, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Inclan, obviously reading the summary of your statements as well as what the probation officer wrote, it's my hope that you are experiencing some personal growth in terms of your interpersonal relationships with, your family, and that's good. I do want to make sure you complete that programming with Sally Welsh. So it is a sentence, in determining the appropriate sentence in this case, the court has considered the seriousness of the offense, your history, the principle of proportionality, the statutory penalty, the cost of confinement, the sentencing guidelines, the report and recommendation of the probation department, as well as what has been said upon the record at this hearing. There's no guidelines. The criteria and reasons for the sentence are the nature and gravity of the offense, the discipline appropriate to its commission, deterrence against repetition by you and by others, the potential for reformation, vindication for the law, and protection of society. So, Mr. Inclan, I'm going to put you on 6 months probation with the only requirement being that you complete the programming with Sally. All right.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
And that'll give you a little opportunity to pay your fines and costs. So I'm going to order a $200 fine, $50 in state costs, $750 in court costs, and a $75 crime victim rights fee. And as I said, the only term of probation is that you complete the programming with Sally Welsh, and obviously not to commit any new crimes or anything of that nature. And then they may want you to report just to verify that. I'll leave that up to the probation department, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Adams, would it be possible to send Mr. Noe a copy of Mr. Inclan's appellate rights for him to sign now and get back to us?
Okay.
So,
Does he have to do that? This is a misdemeanor, Judge. Does he have to do that on a misdemeanor?
Yep,
I've never done that in
I do
district
it.
court. Okay.
well, are you comparing me to procedures in district court, Mr.
I
Noe?
am comparing my experience in one court to another. Nothing more than that, Judge.
Okay.
Nothing further.
So, Mr. Inclan, you obviously do have a right to appeal the sentence. We're going to send over your notice of right to appellate review. If you wish to appeal the sentence, you would fill out the paperwork and get it back to us within 42 days. One copy is just for you to initial and date to acknowledge your receipt of that paperwork, and Mr. Noe will have you do that, and then he'll send it back to Ms. Adams for me. I would have you report to the probation department next Thursday between 8 and 10, just to sign the paperwork, and we should be all set. Good luck to you,
Okay.
Mr. Inclan.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
In this courtroom,
The judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public trust. The courtroom once again demonstrated why fairness and law matter in society.
A routine family hearing suddenly turned into a battle over freedom, money, and control. At the center of the case was a multi-million-dollar estate and allegations of undue influence. Family members argued that Rex Thomas could no longer manage his affairs, while others insisted he still had the right to make his own decisions. As tensions rose, the court faced a serious question. Should a man lose control over his own life and finances? The most powerful moment came when the discussion turned to civil liberties. The court recognized that appointing a conservator could strip away fundamental rights forever.